my channel. Today's video is something a little bit different. I have talked in the past about my dance class on a Tuesday. I go to pole dance. Just to give you a bit of a back history, I did this many years ago and then stopped. Well, I did it for about 4 years, but then stopped for about 5 years. Since last year, obviously I live in Leicester now, I decided to take it back up. I basically had to start from scratch because obviously all my core strength, arm strength, everything had gone. So I had to start again in the beginner's class. So anyway, I've been going now since August, early August, and this is where we're up to now. So I'll give you here's some video clips from my dance lesson on Tuesday. Stay to the end as well, because I'm also going to include some snapshots from where I used to be quite a few years ago. So, and if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all soon.